Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Welcome to my media channel, and today we are going to do an unboxing of Creed 3, a Best Buy exclusive Steelbook. I really enjoyed Creed 3, even though I wish Sylvester Stallone had at least cameoed in it. I do like this movie. I really like the black and white cover. This is a Michael B. Jordan directed film, and this is an edition exclusive to Best Buy, and by the time I record this, I believe it is already sold out, so there's no way to get this outside of eBay. So let's take a look at this. There's the Creed 3, and interesting, MGM and Warner Brothers. MGM was recently bought by Amazon, so I wonder how many more of these releases we will get. Then You Can't Run From Your Past. Some nice pictures there. Ultra HD Blu-ray. This is Dolby Vision and Atmos. And let's do the unboxing, the thing that will take away a lot of the value of this thing, or at least it would if I was buying this to sell as a collector's item, but I'm not. I am buying this to keep and watch it and make it a part of my Rocky and Creed collection. So we take that off and let's look at the back, and oh, that's actually pretty good. Like I'll show you what it looks like, and this also gives me a chance to take away the digital code because I'm going to use that. And look at that. That is a great cover. Now let's take a look what's on the inside. So, ooh, I like the family on the left, and we have the 4K. We have the Blu-ray, which I guess got dislodged at some point, and that's it, just a picture of the family right there. So it's interesting that MGM gets credited on the disc but not Warner Brothers. So yeah, that's a nice little set right there. I always love black and white. I think black and white has far more personality than color, personally. And I thought this was like a very impressive directorial debut from Michael B. Jordan. I know he got it because he's the star of the movie and it's a franchise, so it was like a proven thing. Now that he has directed a hit movie, hopefully we will see him direct some more personal projects. Hopefully he can expand beyond the Creed franchise. Oh, I mean, he already has. He's probably one of the best working actors today, but like writing and directorial wise, he can like direct other stuff outside of this franchise. That would be great. If you have not seen this one, it's really good, and I highly recommend it. I give it like 3.5 stars. It was pretty enjoyable, solid entry. But I'd like to ask, do you have this edition? Have you seen this movie? What do you think of either one? I'd love to know. Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.